Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today's recipe is potato fry seasoned with a lot of cumin seeds, also called as Jeera potato or Jeera aloo. So for this recipe I have chopped up 3 boiled potatoes and finely chopped 3 cloves of garlic and a bunch of coriander leaves. Now to a pan I'll add in 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it up. Once the oil is hot enough, add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it crackle. Now to this add in the chopped garlic cloves, saute for a minute and then add in the boiled potatoes. Now saute till the outer edges of potatoes are crispy and it changes to a beautiful golden color. Now we'll add the spices. For this recipe I have added half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Since I have added salt while boiling the potatoes, I am not adding any now. Once the potatoes are evenly coated with the spices, add in quarter teaspoon of chaat masala, mix it all well and turn off the flame. Now garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. This goes well with rice and roti. Give this recipe a try and share your feedback in the comments. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe for more future recipes. Thank you.